Hi guys, welcome to Success Corner. We are here with daily chemistry MCQs. Today we'll be doing one of the most important chapters, that is ionic equilibrium. Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Question 1. BOH is a weak monoacidic base. It is given Kb is equal to 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 5. The molar concentration of BOH that provides OH negative of 1.5 to 10 to the power minus 3 moles will be. Now we know that Kb will be equal to B plus into OH negative divided by BOH, and it is given 1.5 to 10 to the power minus 3. Now so we can find the concentration of BOH from this formula, because we know the concentration of B, that is 1.5 to 10 to the power minus 3, and we also know the concentration of OH, that is 1.5 to 10 to the power minus 3. So when we solve this we get 0.15. So the correct answer is option 1. Question 2. Which of the following salt will give cationic hydrolysis? So we know that NH4 with water gives NH4OH plus H plus, which is a cationic hydrolysis. So this will occur in option number 2, that is 100 ml of N by 10 NH4OH plus 100 ml N by 10 HCl. So the correct answer here is option 2. Question 3. The equilibrium constant for the reaction OCl negative plus H2O gives HOCl plus OH negative is 3.6 into 10 to the power minus 7. Hence, Ka for HOCl is, now we know Kh is equal to Kw by Ka, and Kh is given 3.6 into 10 to the power minus 7. We also know the value of Kw, it is 10 to the power minus 14. Hence, we can find Ka, and when we solve, it becomes 2.77 into 10 to the power minus 8, which is also approximately equal to 2.8 into 10 to the power minus 8. So the correct answer is option 4. Question 4. The precipitate of Ag2CrO4 of Ksp is equal to 1 into 10 to the power minus 8 is obtained when equal volume of following are mixed. Now we know for precipitation the Ksp should be less than Ag plus whole square into CrO2 whole square. So we have to find the options in which this will be greater than 10 to the power minus 8. So it is only correct in option number 2. So the correct answer is option 2. Question 5. Which ion will have highest Ksp value of their sulfides? So here the correct answer is Zn plus 2 and Mn plus 2. The correct answer is option 3. They will have the highest Ksp values. Question 6. At 25 degrees Celsius, the dissociation constant of CH3COOH and NH4OH in aqueous solution are almost the same. The pH of a solution 0.01 normal CH3COOH is 4 at 25 degrees. The pOH of 0.01 normal NH4OH solution at the same temperature would be. So as in CH3COOH, pH is 4.0, and as the dissociation constant of both is same and as the temperature is also same, therefore pOH for 0.01 normal NH4OH will also be equal to 4. So the correct answer is option 2. Question 7. The concentration of OH negative in 0.01 molar aqueous solution of NaOCN given Kb for OCN negative is 10 to the power minus 10 will be. Now as it is a weak acid strong base, OH concentration of OH negative will be equal to root of Kw into C divided by Ka. Now as Kw we know it is 10 to the power minus 14. It is given 0.01 molar, that is 10 to the power minus 2, and Ka as Kb we know it is 10 to the power minus 10, therefore Ka will be 10 to the power minus 4. So when we solve this, we get concentration of OH negative as 10 to the power minus 6 molar. So the correct answer is option 1. Question 8. In a saturated solution of H2S, decreasing the pH of the solution will cause. Now, as the pH will decrease, the concentration of S2 negative will also decrease because of common ion effect. So the correct answer is option 1. Question 9. The strongest conjugate base is. Now the question is conjugate base. That means the acid which is the least acidic will provide the strongest base. So among the given options, CH3COOH will be the weakest acid. Therefore, CH3COO negative will be the strongest conjugate base. So the correct answer is option 4. Question 10. 1 molar NaCl and 1 molar NaOH are present in an aqueous solution. The solution is. So as we know, NaCl is a salt and NaOH is a strong base. So first thing that we definitely know is this will not be a buffer. And as NaOH is a strong base, NaCl is neutral. So the pH will be greater than 7. So the correct answer is option 2, that is not a buffer solution with pH greater than 7. These were today's 10 MCQs. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.